Speaking of the weather, it's no surprise that the weather is constantly changing across the country, but how much has the temperature and precipitation averages changed here in the last 10 years? I took a closer look at the numbers to show what kind of trends we've seen. The WTWO station has been an official observation site for the National Weather Service since 1975. We have daily records dating back to the 70s, and even more detailed records kept in the basement. But how are these numbers used to come up with averages?
So when it comes to averages, we basically take a set of data for 30 years and come up with average numbers for precipitation, temperature, things like that. And it's done that way all across the country. Everybody does it the same way using the same group of data. Every 10 years, we drop off the last decade and we add the new decade. And so we just did that. We're now using information that goes from 1991 to the year 2020.
So how have we seen the climate change in the last 10 years? When it comes to precipitation, there has been no big change. With snow and rain, we are up about 1.1%, so just a minor change. How about the temperature? The temperature average over the last 10 years has seen a 1.7% increase, or about a degree. But is there a certain time of the year we have seen the biggest temperature increase? The answer is yes. June has seen a 3.1 degree increase, while August has seen a 2.1 degree increase.
So when we went back and looked at monthly average temperatures, most were pretty close, but there were a couple that went up, and those two were in the summer. And I believe the reason we saw that was because back in 2012, we had a pretty significant heat wave and drought. And we saw temperatures on many occasions that soared above 100 degrees, which is about 20 degrees above normal. That was probably why we saw a spike in a couple of the months in the summertime with the average temperature.
How has this changed our winter weather over the last 10 years? Well, if you felt like our winters have been warmer with less snow, then you would be right. We are almost 1 degree warmer when it comes to the change in temperature, but the big impact is the lack of snow. Over the last 20 years, we have seen our average go from 19 inches down to 14 and a half. That is a 24% drop in over the last 20 years. But remember, these are just averages. You can still have some winters with heavy snow, such as the winter of 2013 to 2014, when we had almost 28. And the next time averages will be updated is in 2030.